You open YouTube and see a grid of videos, your personalized homepage. It's the first thing you encounter, a digital front door to a world of content curated just for you. It's not random, it's tailored to keep you watching. Every thumbnail, every suggestion, is part of a carefully crafted experience designed to grab your attention and keep you engaged. YouTube's algorithm curates this page based on your habits, what you watch, skip, search, and subscribe to. It's constantly learning, adapting to your choices, and trying to predict what you'll want next. Every video is a calculated guess at what you'll enjoy next. The more you interact, the more the algorithm thinks it understands you. The goal? Engagement. So, you keep clicking. YouTube wants you to stay, explore, and discover, turning minutes into hours. But sometimes, the algorithm gets it wrong. It can misinterpret your interests or latch onto a single viewing choice. Maybe you watched one plumbing video, and now your feed is flooded with tutorials you don't care about. Suddenly, your homepage feels less like yours and more like a stranger's, or a friend used your account and now your recommendations are off. One evening of shared browsing can throw off weeks of personalized suggestions. Suddenly, your homepage feels cluttered and irrelevant. It's easy to feel lost in a sea of videos that don't match your interests. That's why it's important to manage your feed. Taking a few moments to clean up your recommendations can make a big difference. You don't have to accept whatever the algorithm serves. You have the power to guide it, to teach it what you actually want to see. You can actively shape your recommendations. Every thumbs up, every not interested, is a signal that helps refine your feed. By giving clear feedback, you can turn your homepage into a gallery of content you actually want. It becomes a reflection of your tastes, your curiosity, and your interests. Take control, and YouTube becomes a tool for your interests, not just a time sink. It can inspire, educate, and entertain you on your own terms. Curate your feed, and your experience becomes more enjoyable and productive. You'll spend less time searching and more time discovering what truly matters to you. Don't let the algorithm decide everything. Your input is the key to a better, more relevant YouTube experience. Make YouTube work for you, because your time and attention deserve to be spent on content you love. The YouTube algorithm isn't just a single formula, it's actually a collection of complex systems working together behind the scenes. Its two main jobs are to pick the best videos for your homepage and to suggest what you might want to watch next, keeping you engaged for as long as possible. To do this, it quietly builds a detailed profile of your interests and habits. It pays attention to your watch history, the videos you like or dislike, your searches, and even the channels you subscribe to. Every click, every scroll, and every pause adds another piece to your digital puzzle. Next, the algorithm scans through millions of videos uploaded every day. It analyzes titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and how other viewers interact with each video. It's constantly looking for patterns, what's trending, what's new, and what's likely to catch your eye. The system then matches your unique profile with videos that are both relevant to your interests and popular among other viewers. It's a blend of personalization and popularity, designed to keep you watching. One of the most important signals is watch time. If you watch most or all of a video, the algorithm assumes you enjoyed it and will try to show you more like it. But if you click away quickly or skip a video, that's a negative signal. The system learns that maybe that type of content isn't for you. Your likes, dislikes, and even occasional surveys all help the algorithm refine your profile, making it more accurate over time. This creates a powerful feedback loop. You watch, the algorithm learns, and your homepage evolves. The more you interact, the more your recommendations change. If you suddenly watch a few videos on a new topic, your recommendations can shift almost instantly, reflecting your latest interests. The algorithm is always adapting, constantly testing your interest by mixing in new content. It's not just about what you've watched, but also about what you might like next. Every action you take, whether you watch, skip, like, or comment, trains the system a little more each day, making it smarter and more attuned to your preferences. That's why your homepage can change so quickly, sometimes even from one session to the next. The more you interact with YouTube, the more the recommendations seem to get you, surfacing videos you never knew you wanted to see. Whether you realize it or not, you're constantly shaping your YouTube experience. Every choice you make sends a signal, helping the algorithm learn what you love and what you don't. Understanding this cycle is the first step to taking control of your recommendations and making YouTube work for you. So use this knowledge to your advantage and start curating your own YouTube journey today. The simplest way to train the YouTube algorithm is right at your fingertips. Just use the like and dislike buttons. These small actions have a surprisingly big impact on what you see next. Liking a video tells YouTube, "Show me more like this." It's a direct signal that you enjoyed the content, and you want to see similar videos in your recommendations. Disliking, on the other hand, says, "I don't want this kind of content." It helps filter out videos or topics you're not interested in, making your feed more relevant to you. The algorithm pays close attention to your feedback, noting the creators, topics, and even the style of videos you prefer or want to avoid. Every click helps it learn your unique tastes. Consistent feedback, like regularly liking or disliking videos, speeds up the learning process. The more you interact, the faster YouTube understands your preferences. If you never like or dislike, YouTube has to rely only on your watch time. But watch time alone isn't always accurate. It can't tell if you truly enjoyed a video or just watched out of curiosity. Sometimes you might finish a video just because it was surprising or odd, not because you want more like it. That's why your clicks matter so much. Clicking like or dislike clarifies your intent for the algorithm. It's a simple way to communicate what you actually want to see. Make it a habit. Like the videos you genuinely enjoy, and don't hesitate to dislike the ones you don't. This helps keep your recommendations fresh and tailored to you. These clicks are your main tools for curating your feed. They give you more control over your YouTube experience, turning passive watching into active participation. Instead of letting the algorithm guess, you're guiding it with every click, shaping your homepage to match your interests. Start using the like and dislike buttons regularly, and you'll quickly notice your recommendations getting better and more personalized. It's the easiest and most effective way to shape your YouTube experience, making sure you see more of what you love and less of what you don't. For even more control, use the Not Interested button. See a video you never want to watch? Click the 3 dots, then Not Interested. This instantly removes the video and tells the algorithm it was a bad fit. Unlike dislike, Not Interested means you don't even want to try that video. YouTube may ask why. Give feedback if you can. Saying you're not interested in a channel helps fine-tune your feed. Use this regularly to weed out irrelevant content. Don't just scroll past videos you dislike. Actively remove them. Over time, this habit will declutter your homepage. The more you use Not Interested, the more focused your recommendations become. It's a quick, effective way to correct the algorithm. Make it part of your routine. Your feed will thank you. Sometimes, Not Interested isn't enough. If a channel keeps popping up and you never want to see it, use Don't Recommend Channel. Click the 3 dots next to a video, then select Don't Recommend Channel. This blocks all videos from that creator in your recommendations. It's a powerful tool. Use it for channels that consistently clutter your feed. You can still search for the channel if you want, but it won't appear on your homepage or in suggestions. A few well-placed uses of this feature can clean up your feed fast. Use it decisively for channels you truly want to avoid. It's the ultimate way to curate your YouTube experience. Take control and keep your recommendations relevant. Your watch history is the algorithm's main data source. If it gets polluted by a friend's viewing spree or a random binge, your recommendations suffer. You can fix this by editing your watch history. Go to your history page, find unwanted videos, and remove them. This erases those data points, helping the algorithm refocus on your real interests. Watched a few plumbing videos? Delete them, and plumbing tutorials will disappear from your feed. You can also pause your watch history if you're about to watch off-topic content. Just remember to turn it back on, or your recommendations may go stale. Regularly cleaning your history keeps your feed accurate. It's a behind-the-scenes way to keep your recommendations sharp. Don't let old mistakes shape your future viewing. Manage your history for a better YouTube. Subscriptions are your hand-picked list of creators. The subscriptions feed shows only new videos from channels you follow, in order, no algorithm interference. Review your subscriptions regularly and unsubscribe from channels you no longer watch. This keeps your feed clean and signals your changing interests to the algorithm. Playlists are another tool. Organize videos by topic, save for later, and help the algorithm understand your preferences. Use subscriptions and playlists to build a YouTube experience that's intentional, not random. Your subscriptions feed becomes your personal newsstand. Playlists act as your own library. These features put you in control, not the algorithm. Combine them with homepage curation for the best experience. Curation isn't just about clicking buttons, it's about mindful viewing. The algorithm notices what you skip as much as what you watch. Scrolling past videos without clicking tells YouTube you're not interested. Over time, ignored content appears less often. Your searches also shape your recommendations. Search for topics you want to see more of. Watching a few videos on a new subject quickly shifts your feed. Be intentional. Avoid clicking on videos you don't want more of, and search for what you do. Every action and inaction sends a signal. The more deliberate you are, the better your recommendations. It's a constant dialogue with the algorithm. Shape your feed with purpose. Ready to improve your YouTube homepage? Here's your action plan. First, scan your homepage and use "not interested" or "don't recommend" channel on bad recommendations. Second, like and dislike videos as you watch today. Give clear feedback. Third, review your watch history and remove videos that don't reflect your interests. Finally, audit your subscriptions and unsubscribe from channels you no longer enjoy. These 4 steps will quickly transform your recommendations. Make them a habit for ongoing improvement. You have the power to shape your YouTube experience. Start today, and watch your feed become a reflection of what you truly care about. Take control. YouTube is yours to curate.